It's just a quick one about our new package that we have for headlight restoration. You've seen the headlights on cars, they go all yellow, cloudy, they look horrible, makes the car look older. And the idea is to restore them to look like this again. This just came out of a Kia Carnival, was well weathered, something about 10 years old, and all we've done is sanded it and polished it, and that's it. So to get these results, you are going to need this new pack, which we have put together. In the pack for $30, you have two 400 grit sanding discs, which are hook and loop, two 800 grit, two 1000 grit, one 1500, one 2000, and one 3000. It's probably a little bit of an overkill for most headlight jobs, but you're not going to run out of stuff on the job. This pack comes to around about $30. And should do at least two sets of headlights. I mean, for really bad ones you might only get one set, meaning one pair, but sometimes you might find you get two sets out of this kit. Okay, see ya.